Did you know that sneezing too hard can actually fracture a rib? It sounds wild, but it's true. And if you ever feel the urge to suppress a sneeze, think twice. You could rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck, and that's no joke. It can be fatal. And here's something even crazier. If you try to keep your eyes open during a sneeze, they could pop right out. Our bodies are more fragile than we think. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, let it out. It's better to risk a rib than to face the consequences of holding it in. Just remember, sneezing is a natural reflex. Embrace it.